Hey guys, it's me, Icarus, and today we're doing something super fun with this Lego set right here. This is a gift that I got recently. It's a super small creator set, and I was kind of mixed feelings about it because it was super basic and creator's not really my thing. However, as I was building it, I began to realize the similarities in some of the design features between this robot and some Transformers and Gundam and even Voltron designs. They seem to have sort of mixed and matched some different looks from these different robots into this little robot guy, and I thought that was really cool, so I decided to take this little guy and supersize him and see if I can just pack some more detail into this guy, make him big, make him even cooler, and see what happens with that, and take you guys along for the journey. Now, for this sort of rebuild update of this little robot guy, I want to be using the same colors for the most part, these reds, yellows, and this sort of dark azure color. I pulled out some pieces to use for it, and one thing that caught my eye especially were these pieces right here. These are from some of the Disney Pixar Cars sets. Specifically, the unprinted ones actually came in the original Destiny's Bounty set. And so that's going to be sort of my defining scale to build the rest of this giant robot. The chest right here is going to be made out of these, and that'll give me sort of a scale idea of how the rest of the robot is going to be scaled compared to the robot pecs. Now, as I'm scaling this up, I want to keep pretty much the exact same design features as the robot himself. The wings, big fists. I do want to make sure I get some more features packed into this guy, as well as more details. I want this bigger robot to be more posable than the smaller one, but I think that's enough of me talking. Now let's get into the build. And just like that, we have a completed Big Daddy robot. This guy turned out even better than I expected. It's literally exactly what I was going for, a way more detailed version of the original set. All of the exact same design features and principles were carried over into this design, but I really bulked him up, added more articulation, more detail. The new robot has articulated knees, waist, and fingers, which is something that the small robot didn't have. The head is also way more detailed. I had a bunch of fun updating this Lego set, and it's something I would really recommend you guys try. It's super fun, and when you don't have a good build idea, just taking a set that you have and trying to update it and make it more detailed and better, it's a really great way to just grow your skills and continue building. But that's about it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.